Welcome to DataPencil. I, Kalyani Bhatnagar, founder of DataPencil, and I warmly welcome you all to day 2 or part 2 of our 100 Queries SQL challenge. I hope you all have completed part 1. If not, please pause here, go back and finish that first. Now let's see our part 2 task. So our first query is display all students who signed up after 2024-0101. Query 2. List all courses priced above 2000. Query 3. Show total number of students city-wise. Query 4. Find the total number of enrollments per course. Query 5. Display student names along with courses they enrolled in. Query 6. Find total revenue generated from courses. Query 7. Show total amount spent by each student. Query 8. List students who enrolled in paid courses. It means price should be greater than 0. Query 9. Find average course price category wise. Query 10. Show students who enrolled in more than one course. Query 11. Display courses with 0 enrollments. Query 12. Find students who have never enrolled in any course. Query 13. Show highest priced course. Query 14. Count total enrollments month-wise. Query 15. Display students with course completion above 80%. Query 16. Find total number of courses per category. Query 17. Show students who enrolled but have 0% progress. Query 18. List top 3 students who spent the highest total amount. Query 19. Display course-wise average completion percentage. And the last query, show students who enrolled in courses costing more than 2000. So as you all know that submission should be in .sql format. For any administrative help, please connect with us on the WhatsApp number given on the screen. Keep practicing. See you in the next part. Take care. Good luck.